Welcome to Margete, Sweden, where innovation in composites took centre stage. Over 2 dynamic days, BÜFA brought together industry professionals from across Sweden and Europe to explore the future of composite materials.
Ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome to Margete in Sweden and the first BÜFA Open Days here in Scandinavia.
This exclusive gathering highlighted cutting-edge developments, fostered meaningful connections, and offered a collaborative space for sharing expertise. Attendees engaged in insightful discussions and exchanged ideas with peers and thought leaders. Throughout the event, expert speakers shared their visions on industry trends, material innovation, and the importance of sustainable solutions.
The better your molds, the better your parts, so you see the value of good tooling materials. And this kind of concept we will present to you today at the workshop.
A key feature of the event was the hands-on workshop, showcasing the BÜFA Tec Injection System. From concept to execution, participants followed the full process, including mold creation, which was proudly displayed the following day in the exhibition hall. The workshop also featured several specialized stations, including a polishing demonstration using PIB Boat Composites advanced polishing paste, and presentations on rPET and styrene-free resin solutions from AOC, highlighting sustainable approaches and the latest in composite material innovation. Together, these demonstrations brought real-world applications to life, offering insights into efficiency, quality, and sustainability across the value chain. The future of composites is being shaped today by innovators, partners, and visionaries like those who gathered here. Stay connected with BÜFA and be part of what comes next.